Okay, hello, we in fake sauce function now. Cause of course, in this fake sauce function, you can, like every time you die, you get a randomized gun. So far, I got the op gonna get shot. We're in a private server lobby. Thing is, these publics are way too laggy, bro. Not that laggy. Thing is, everyone's just shooting them, tryharding. Oh him. Yo, chill. Yo, chill. Yup, shot. Yup, shot. Yup, oh. Yup, shot, man. Injured. Just know there's no cause in this game. And I just stand up. Wait, was that? That was a technique. No, I do not like that. You know I don't like it. What happened? Oh no, I gotta let not that off shot. Ding ding. Yo. I need reload. Oh my god, dream. Need reload. I'm still getting in this dog. But my gun dream the game. My gun keeps driving. This gun, the Rudiger P345. It is dog water, bro. It keeps driving. Yep. You know, I gotta teach this family. Shift lock, A, trick, A, twisty. A. Wait, let me test something. I wanna do something. Wait, I'm here. Do not shoot, don't shoot. Wait, let me test something real quick. I'm here, right? You can clearly see me. So I'm here, you can clearly see me. Let's say I do this. You can still see me, yeah. You can still sue me. Okay, let's just. Why did I say sue me? No, I meant like see me. What? Oh, man. Blood destroy. There's one big lag spike in this app. Blood. What's happened? My screen glitching. Okay, bro. My screen glitching, huh? I didn't find the ops. I didn't find the ops. Yo, shot. Every day. Yo, shot. Every day. Oh no, they are doing something. Yo, he using the Take 9 drone. Yo, yes. So, if you like that video, chill out. So, good. Bye, boy. Yo, this video was good. If you like the video, make sure get this dude out the way. Since we got him away, I think let me try and kill him 2 more times. Instead, teach him a lesson with the Tech 9 drum. What's this dude saying? Yo, wait. Sub, yeah, listen to this. Oh, wow, I'm crashing out. Oh my god. I'm gonna keep doing it until. Okay, wait, I'm gonna keep doing. Oh, I am not using the Tech 9 drum. I am using the Tavis drum. Oh yeah, this dude's gonna teach the lesson. No, I'll just get on top of here. Oh no. Oh, my name is Booty Cheese. Oh. How's he doing that? What? I can't shoot that near. What is it? How is it? Oh my god! Oh my! What the? Okay, I'm gonna keep doing it until I win 2 times in a row. Keep on fighting until I win 2 times in a row. Oh no. Cut it back. Oh yeah, he's good. He cooked. Oh yeah, Shawty's body. Hey, he went to the pot. They gotta do some blackouts. Hey, damn. Like, oh, he went to the party. Hey, Shawty's body. Bro! I just see him teleporting, boom. Oh, you know he cooked. He cooked when I got the Glock, babe. He about to take this. Okay, I need to win just one more time for me to win. It's time to go. I is monkey. What? He is saying he's a monkey? Yeah. Oh yeah. It's just I won. So let me do the final rap lyrics to pay respect. Hey, Drilly Bob. Young's hot. He finna get shot. He went to the party, Shawty's body. Hey, I'm down to Woody's. Why is he didn't come? Okay, I'll follow him. I'll follow him. Okay, do I have to like? This seems weird. A weird interaction. To the studio. Okay. Oh, I think he wants me to rap. Oh, he's showing I can rap. I'll show him I can rap. Okay. Load the beep, cuz. Oh, you? Oh, chill. Okay. Start rapping, boy. Start rapping, boy. Okay, I'm watching. Hey. A. I was gonna say another A. A. I think you think it'll look. Bro, you're taking so. If there were, bro, why doesn't this game have this? Ops. Okay. South. Ops south is.